In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by holding your device's display. Then when you see this pop up, hit Home Settings at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Icon Size. Operate this slider to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!